Welcome to Interior Inspirations. If you're living in a small space, you know how challenging it can be to make the most of every square inch. But don't worry, today I'm sharing 10 genius hacks to help you maximize your space and make your home feel bigger and more organized. Let's get started. Hack number 1: multifunctional furniture. Choose pieces that serve more than one purpose, like a sofa bed, a storage ottoman, or a fold-out desk. These items save space and add extra functionality to your home. Hack number 2: vertical storage solutions. Use your wall space to its full potential by installing floating shelves and wall hooks. This keeps your floor clear and creates more storage opportunities. Hack number 3: underbed storage. Utilize the space under your bed for storage bins and drawers. This is a great way to keep things organized and out of sight. Hack number 4: folding furniture. Invest in foldable furniture like dining tables and chairs that you can easily tuck away when not in use. This frees up valuable floor space. Hack number 5: mirrors. Use mirrors to create the illusion of a larger space. Place them strategically to reflect light and open up the room. Hack number 6: light colors and bright lighting. Paint your walls in light colors and ensure your space is well lit. This makes your home feel more open and airy. Hack number 7: declutter regularly. Keep your space tidy by regularly decluttering and getting rid of items you no longer need. A clutter-free home feels bigger and more comfortable. Hack number 8: use rugs to define spaces. In open floor plans, rugs can help define different areas, making your space feel more organized and spacious. Hack number 9: hidden storage solutions. Look for furniture with hidden storage compartments, like benches and coffee tables. This helps keep your home neat and maximizes your storage options. Hack number 10: floating desks and workstations. If you need a home office, consider a floating desk. It saves space and provides a functional workspace without taking up floor area. And there you have it! These 10 genius hacks will help you make the most of your small space and create a home that feels bigger and more organized. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Interior Inspiring, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating!